My name's Morag, and today we're in the office of the Diabetes Careline, and this is where all our calls come through to. So anybody that has diabetes and their friends and families can phone in, and the purpose of the Careline is to provide support and advice to people that have diabetes. Obviously, being diagnosed with diabetes can be devastating for some people. It can bring up all sorts of emotions. So that's really what we're here for, is a listening ear and somebody to talk to. Obviously, it's a long-term condition as well, so it's something that you've got potentially for the rest of your life. And that again can be something that people need somebody to obviously talk through different situations. So we get all sorts of different calls. It can be about the emotions that are associated with diabetes, and also advice about actually managing it. So that can be diet, medication, exercise, etc. I myself have had diabetes for 29 years. And over that time I've had to have my regular reviews at the diabetic clinic, and really the purpose of that is to ensure that you're getting very good management of your condition. So when you go along for your reviews, you will have a number of things that the doctor will check has been managed properly. So you'll sometimes find that you'll go in and they'll hand you a sheet and it'll have a sort of checklist on it. So that checklist is there for a purpose. As I say, it's to make sure that your condition's been managed properly. One of the big things that quite often comes up is people ask us, what is HbA1c, for example? So the HbA1c is checked to ensure that your long-term blood glucose results are sitting where they should be. They'll also check to make sure that your weight is where it should be, your blood pressure is where it should be, they'll check your urine as well to make sure that your kidney function's okay. So all these things will be on the checklist. And as I say, the whole purpose of that is really to make sure that your diabetes has been managed properly, and ultimately it's to make sure that you live a long and happy life with diabetes, and it's to reduce the risk of complications.